AliExpress is huge. It's a global marketplace. Imagine a place where you can find almost anything you need, from electronics to fashion, home goods to toys. It's like a virtual bazaar that never sleeps, connecting millions of buyers and sellers from every corner of the globe. Imagine a giant online store. Now multiply that by 1,000. That's AliExpress. It's a platform where you can browse through countless categories, each filled with a vast array of products. Whether you're looking for the latest gadgets, trendy clothes, or unique handmade items, AliExpress has it all. People from all over the world shop there. It's a melting pot of cultures and tastes, where you can find products that cater to every preference and need. From the comfort of their homes, people in different time zones and continents are all connected through this incredible marketplace. You can find almost anything on AliExpress. Need a new phone case? Check. Looking for a rare collectible? Check. Want to try out the latest beauty products? Check. The variety is endless, and the possibilities are limitless. Best of all, you can sell there too. If you have a product to offer, AliExpress provides you with a platform to reach a global audience. Setting up a store is straightforward, and you can start listing your products in no time. Millions of people shop on AliExpress every day. The traffic is immense, and the potential for sales is huge. With so many users browsing and buying, your products have a great chance of being seen and purchased. They're looking for great deals. They want unique products. Shoppers on AliExpress are savvy and always on the hunt for the best prices and the most interesting items. They compare, they review, and they buy. As a seller, you offer those products. You have the opportunity to showcase your items to a vast audience, and with the right strategy, you can attract a loyal customer base. AliExpress connects you to those buyers. The platform facilitates transactions, handles payments, and even offers tools to help you manage your store efficiently. It's a chance to grow your business. With the right approach, you can expand your reach, increase your sales, and take your business to new heights. AliExpress is not just a marketplace, it's a gateway to global success. Ready to start selling? First, you need an AliExpress account. Go to the AliExpress website. Click on Sell on AliExpress. It's easy to find. Follow the steps to create your account. You'll need to provide some information. Don't worry, it's simple. Tell them about your business. What do you sell? Where do you ship from? After that, you're almost ready to start. Now comes the exciting part, listing your products. Good photos are key. Show your products in the best light. Use clear, bright images. Write catchy titles and descriptions. Be honest about your products. Tell people exactly what they're buying. Be clear about shipping costs. This builds trust with your buyers. Section 4. Smooth sailing, managing orders, and customer service. In this section, we will explore the essential steps to ensure your e-commerce business runs smoothly and efficiently. Managing orders and providing excellent customer service are key components to achieving success in the online marketplace. Orders are coming in. Great job! This is an exciting time for your business, and it's crucial to stay organized and on top of your order management. Efficiently handling orders will help you maintain a positive reputation and keep your customers satisfied. AliExpress makes it easy to manage them. With its user-friendly interface, you can quickly access all the information you need to process orders, track shipments, and communicate with customers. The platform is designed to streamline your workflow and save you time. You'll get notifications for new orders. Pack your orders carefully, ship them out quickly, provide tracking information. Customers might have questions. Respond to them promptly. Be friendly and helpful. Remember, the way you handle customer inquiries can significantly impact their overall experience with your brand. Good customer service makes people happy. When customers feel valued and appreciated, they are more likely to leave positive feedback and recommend your business to others. This can lead to increased sales and a loyal customer base. Happy customers are more likely to buy from you again. Building strong relationships with your customers through excellent service and reliable order management is the foundation of a successful e-commerce business. Keep up the great work and watch your business grow. Section 5. Charting your course, marketing, and growth strategies for success. In this section, we will explore the essential strategies you need to implement to ensure your business thrives in the competitive landscape of AliExpress. AliExpress is a competitive marketplace. With millions of sellers and products, standing out can be challenging. However, with the right approach, you can carve out a niche for your business and attract a loyal customer base. To stand out, you need to market your products effectively. Use AliExpress's marketing tools to your advantage. These tools are designed to help you reach a wider audience and increase your visibility on the platform. Run promotions and offer discounts. Participate in AliExpress campaigns. These campaigns can significantly boost your sales and help you gain more exposure. Additionally, keep learning about AliExpress and its features to stay ahead of the competition. Stay updated on new features. AliExpress frequently introduces new tools and features that can help you optimize your store and improve your sales performance. Regularly check for updates and incorporate them into your strategy. The more you know, the better you'll do. Invest time in studying e-commerce strategies and marketing techniques. Attend training sessions and take online courses to enhance your knowledge and skills. With hard work and these tips, you can succeed on AliExpress. Remember, success doesn't come overnight. But with persistence and the right strategies, you can achieve your business goals and see significant growth on the platform.